Today is the day of batch pickup for Galaxycon, so it's about, let me see what time it is. It is about almost 3, batch pickup is at 5:30, so with that being said, Galaxycon's this weekend, Thursday through Sunday, March 19th through the 22nd. I had a brain fart right there. So with that being said, something, Jet Set Radio! Woo! Okay, I don't know if you see that. That's what I was aiming for. Anyway, so with that being said, let's just get right into the video, batch pickup, all that good stuff. 2 cosplay contests participated in Masquerade, and also Masquerade Sunday, special surprise, and also After Dark cosplay contest, so you get to see Hot Boy Red. So with that being said, let's get right into it, with pre-gaming, this thing right here. I don't know if you can see this, but there we go, got it open. Ooh, that's good, monster. Okie dokie. So I don't know what the line situation is going to look like Thursday, so we're about to go around that corner right there and check it out. I'm going to go in first-person view, because it's right now 4:24 or 4-something p.m. and drum roll. Oh, there's a line. Guys, guess what? Galaxycon pass acquired. And I don't know if you can tell, but I'm literally walking down a long-ass alley. This shit is fucking dope. Never been in the back of Shore Pump. And I'm literally traveling to my car. So with that being said, I'm gonna get right into the groove. Boom. Good afternoon, everybody. Today's the day of Galaxycon, Thursday the 19th. We are on our way to the convention center, and I have no idea why I'm talking like a happy-go-lucky protagonist, but time to go all city and go straight to the convention center and skateboard around town and do whatever and get some autographs and all that good stuff. So, we are there. I don't know if you can see that. Gotta get in a little bit closer, near that big-ass building right there behind the trees and all that good stuff. So, we're almost there. Scooter's got scoot along. Alright, fellas, we're about to make that turn right now. Here we are. Badge entry. Galaxycon, let's go. For a brief moment to let y'all know, this is how the line's kind of going to look and how it's going to go down with all these bars and guards here and wrap and all that good stuff. So you know the line's going to be extremely long today, tomorrow and Saturday, when the line and everything in it, when there's a bunch of all these guards right here. So yeah, this is Richmond for you. Base infiltrated. Whee! Look at him. Jackpot. Let's go. Look at him, he's so adorable. Alright, your boy's gonna test out his luck with a freaking claw machine, so let's see how this goes. Part 1. There we go. Alright, let's see how this goes. God, it sounds like a sputtering engine. Jesus Christ. Alright, I got 20 seconds and 2 tries, so let's go. Oh, shit. Oh. Oh my god, this thing is so jittery. Jesus Christ. Alright, let's go. Try number 1. Damn it. Alright, let's see here. I got one more try, so we're gonna go for whatever. We're gonna try this Miku right here. Come on. Gotta angle it. And let's see here. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? There you go. Rude! I'm gonna try one more time. One more time to try. Woo! Shit. Try 3 times. Let's go. Here's one more time. Is it right? No! Damn it. Try number 1. Number 2. Yeah, gotta make sure it's angled right. Try number. I'm gonna try for something different. I'm gonna try for that little guy right there in the back. Okay, maybe that's a dumb idea. We're gonna try it. Whack. Oh well, I tried. Aw. Game over. Whatever time this has been, but this is the 2nd try, or 4th try. Let's see if I get this Hello Kitty. Mother of God. Oh my god, that was so close. I'm gonna try one more time. So close. The moment when you're just messing around a vending machine or a... God damn it. Read. Read! There you go. Thank you. Try this one more time. This is like the 6th try. 6 tries a charm. 6 times a charm, guys. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Get a little bit closer in. Okay. I think we might be lined up. No! I'm done. You know what? I'm gonna try it one more time. So I tried doing this off camera, and my god, look how close that is. And I'm just sitting here thinking, like, I don't want to mess with that, so... Crane machines can be whacked sometimes. Enough said. Good lord, Matt was so cool. For real? My god, dude, I'm happy he wrote this. This was the one thing I wanted him to write and say. Jesus Christ, I'm so happy. Shit, side. Oh my god, that letter is perfect. We're gonna see what we get. See if we get a gremlin. Yeah, if I can get this thing in. Shit. There you go. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna open this in a sec. Okie dokie, I had to lean a little bit. So we're gonna open this thing right here, quick opening, and see if we get a gremlin. Damn it, trash, fuck. I mean the litter, look. This piece. Alright, so we got unboxing at or unballing at a convention. There we go. That's what we got. Come on, let it be a gremlin. Let it be a gremlin. Let it be a gremlin. I want a fucking gremlin. Come on, come on, come on. Give me some money. My shot. Oh, there's the thing. Good enough. Not a gremlin, but a little nun. He's cute. Oh, there we go. From the nun. It's a nun. It's not Mogwai or Gizmo or Stripe. It's a nun. Alright. Already let the hunt begin for stamps and also After Dark beep boop music, booster pack, and energy drink. And bottoms up. Ooh, that's a good charcoal though. Cheers! Wink. Already let the hunt begin for stamps and also After Dark beep boop music, booster pack, and energy drink. And bottoms up. Ooh, that's a good charcoal though. Cheers! Wink. Got it?
Yep.
Whoop, whoop.
That's it. No stuff.
Get your game on. Stampy stamp time. I have no idea which way this is going to go, so boom. Did I get it right? Kinda. There we go. Damn, that's really shitty, but whatever, it works. Alrighty, guys. Round 4. Let's see if I can get this right. Cosplay Lounge. Oh my god. Boom. God damn it, that was awful bit. Hey, there we go. It's like off centered, but it works. Got it. Close you up.
What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know about me? What you know?